Hey there, today we're going to look at how to use Substack as a Creator 2025 full guide. So let's get started. First, go to the Substack homepage. Over here, click on Create Your First Publication. After that, go to the upper right corner and click on your account icon. Then select Settings from the drop down menu. Over here, click on Create Another Publication. Then type a name and URL for your publication and click Continue. After that, click on Select File to import your mailing list. If you want to add subscribers manually, just type their email addresses. Then click Continue to save. Now go back to your dashboard and click on New Post. Over here, select Text Post. Then add a title, a highlight, and a subtitle. After that, type your content in the main body section. When done, click Continue at the top right corner. Over here, select your audience, either everyone or paid subscribers. Then choose your comment settings and add tags. After that, choose to schedule the post or send it now. Then click Send via email and Substack app. Finally, add subscribe buttons if needed before sending. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.